Ay, kapinukulo ko siya pero hindi ako.
Ako talaga gusto ko.
Miss Reg, picture. Thank you, Miss Reg.
Di ba sabi
Ang
ko sa
ingay ng DNA.
Wala ko mainit
Maraming
kung
budgets
bias lang
na.
ako.
Hindi, maingay. Like, it's on my Facebook. It's
Yes, sa feeds, no?
grabe sa feed. Kasi ang ingay ng DNA.
Para makarating sa...
Oo nga.
Eh, nagpapalo ka.
Pero to me yung Facebook kasi, like, it comes, gets ko Instagram eh. Sa akin lumalabas siya.
What's that, Mike?
Yan eh, Dale.
Thank you po.
Thank you so much.
Nag-thank you.
Tapos ano, let's get seated.
Hindi, si Mike ka na.
Hello. I'm Songbird.
Hello.
Mauna na daw ako kasi habang hindi pa nag-start.
Hi. Hello lang po.
May
Red.
setup.
Mr. Reg, photo lang. Ayan. Ano daw?
Mother Air. Oh my God, pinapanood ko lang siya.
Habang wala pa, 10 minutes pa daw. 5 minutes na lang po. Ma'am, congratulations, sold out yung concert. Ano masasabi mo?
Ano masasabi ko?
Yung free yung 9 minutes lang.
Eh, di wow. Ano masasabi ko? Eh, di wow. Of course, I'm very happy. We're all very happy and very surprised.
Kasi parang nami-miss ko talaga ng fans mo. May nag-comment nga, mag-day 3 ka raw. Sila ang kakanta sa'yo.
Mahirap kasi kasi syempre kailangan namin ayusin. Depende kay Kakay kung po pwede. Inaayos pa ng kapatid ko kasi yung venue hindi na rin pwede. So, let's see kung kakayanin. We are trying our very best. Kung kakayanin. Let's hope for the best.
Umaapaw naman po ang sponsors daw.
Wala nga eh. Hindi, actually, mahirap mag-produce ngayon talaga ng concert dahil napakamahal, lahat mahal na. Eh, yung kapatid ko, she really wanted na mag-free concert. Actually, kung kinaya talaga at kung mayaman kami, she really wanted na free, dalawa, kaya lang hindi talaga kaya. So, isa lang yung na-afford namin na maging free. But, ayun nga, we needed sana to have madaming sponsors, but
So, manawagan
meron
tayo.
namang mga konting sponsors. Thank you very much to all the sponsors who supported the concert. That's why the other one needed to be paid. Kailangan namin ng maging paid yung isang concert to
Compensate.
compensate the free night. Just the same, talagang medyo kailangan ni Kakay hatakin talaga yung yung budget. Kasi syempre, ayaw namin mag-suffer yung buong production kasi gusto ni Kakay maganda pa
Everybody,
rin yung
let's all
concert.
please settle down. We are about to start the program. Once again,
So, yeah, so I really feel like because of Johnny, and
to a part of me to say goodbye to. It's also hard because I've gotten used to doing this. But at the same time, it's getting harder for me. The pressure, I have to accept also that my voice has changed. I've gotten older and it's much harder now to move. Rayuma is real. 25? Yes, at 25. Oh my gosh, it's hard. Rayuma is real, guys. At 25. So it gets harder to recover from whatever it is that I do now. So my sister and I, actually convince lang ako talaga ng kapatid ko na just do this. And I feel very blessed though that I still was, given the chance to even say, oh, this is my last big concert. Kasi yung iba nga, they never even had the chance to say goodbye, At least ako nagkaroon pa ako ng chance to even do this. So I still feel very blessed, honored, and yung na sold out in a day yung concert ko.
No, it's 45
Oh,
minutes.
45 minutes, sorry.
45 minutes.
Not a day, 45 minutes. I feel very humbled. I really feel that. So I'm so grateful. I feel very, very grateful. So thank you to everyone. And I just wanna mention, special mention to my sister. And I wanna say thank you to her because everyone's been saying thank you to me for the free concert, but that's actually not me. It's really her. That's her. First of all, her idea, and she's the one producing it. So it's really not me. It's really her. It's Kakay Mitra who's financing it and doing all the work. So thank you very much to my sister Kakay. Love you, Kai.
So, din mapagla. Ay, sorry.
Sa tingin mo ba parang magpakaulirang ina ka na lang?
Bulirangin na.
Hindi pa ba ako ulit? Hindi pa ba? Lumaki na kaya anak ko. I'm sure I'll still do things. Knowing me, I'm still gonna do things. Hindi naman ako uupo lang. Although masarap din naman yung umupo lang at manood ng K-drama. Okay, enjoy ko rin naman yun. I also like...
Go ahead.
Hello po.
Hello.
Tataas ko lang, Miss Reg.
Hi! Ang takal! Oo.
So, Miss Reg, of course, yung mga supporters and fans, so parang this is the first time na mapanood ka sa documentary film. Nagawa mo na lahat ng mga concerts, mga movies and series. But this time, paano po kayo napapayag na makasama or ma-feature dito mismo sa documentary na to? And especially, makikita pa mismo yung mga behind the scenes na ginagawa nyo.
Actually, this was our idea. My sister and I really thought of doing this. Ito talaga yung gusto namin gawin. That's why we called Mike. It just so happened na he also wanted to do something like this. But we've been wanting to do this actually for my 40th. Actually, yung umpisa nito, I wanted to write a book about, parang, ano ba tawag sa ganun?
Memoir.
Oh, parang ganyan.
Memoir.
Oo, parang ganyan. And we're also doing that. But then my sister said, hindi, dapat parang...
Pa na nag-idol sa'yo.
I'm surprised. I'm actually surprised because normally, hindi ka nakilala eh. And that's okay because ang laki na nung age gap eh. But I'm very happy. I'm very honored, flattered, and humbled that they still know me. So it's a blessing. It really endured for at least 2 years. I bruised it because it was hurting for at least 2 years. Kasi, alam mo yung tawag dun sa yung pang...
The harness.
No,
the clamp.
The clamp
Yeah.
that they had to use was this big, and every time I had to fly, it would dig in into my rib. Kasi syempre pag pinupull up ka, it would go like that. I had to rehearse it several times, and every time I had to fly like that, it would dig in to my rib. Kumakanta ako. So, in my head, gusto ko to, di ba? So, tiis ganda yun. That's 2 nights. So, for 2 years, I had to, every time I take a deep breath, that it would hurt me. For a good 2 years. And I really believe it bruised my ribs. For a good 2 years. Yeah.
That was totally unforgettable. My next question is for Sir Mike.
People know. So, yes, there will be so many things na mari-reveal in the documentary. So, A lot of them good, a lot of them probably not so good too. So, yeah.
We can't wait for that. Thank you so much. Congratulations po.
Yun nga sasabihin ko, bakla ako.
Yeah, na-reveal na.
Na-reveal na. Sorry.
Thank you po.
Ay, last question na to.
Look here po. Wait lang. Ready? 1, 2, 3. One more. 1, 2, 3. Okay. One more. 1, 2, 3. Thank you po.
Okay, so
That was really good. That was really good. Video, bye.
wave at the camera, say hi. Beautiful. Okay, now for photos,
Photos
let's
here
please look
po.
at the center.